Okay, I don't have any evidence, so I cannot punish you for your tray outburst, but you have several unexcused absences which I can punish you for. So how about a month of detention?
A month? Principal Novak, please, my family is going through this very complicated thing right now. I don't want to be away from home that much.
Oh, not such a cocky Carolyn now, are we? Good afternoon. Eric! What brings you here? Oh, wait. Would you care for a potchkey? There's chocolate in the center. Don't be surprised.
No, thank you. I'm just here on Abby's behalf to make sure she's treated fairly.
Too late. He called me a rabid dog and gave me a month of detention.
My decision and my analogy both stand. Eric, would you care to take a dive in the candy drawer? After your heroics at the Science Olympiad last week, you certainly deserve it.
No, thank you. Maybe we could figure out something for Abby to do besides detention? What if she joined the environmental club instead?
That's a great idea.
Sorry, madame.